for 42 years. Here survive the last mountain caribous, the rare freshwater salmon spawn, and endangered bats hibernate. Today, the 55,000 hectares of nature are back in Canadian hands. Instead of German foresters, the Nature Conservancy Organisation and scientists take care of Darkwoods now. Corey Lawson, bat expert. Jerry Nelliston, the keeper of the streams. And botanist Adrian Leslie. Together they want to preserve this unique natural landscape and turn it into a flagship region for Canada. Darkwoods is situated in the south of British Columbia and adjacent to the Rocky Mountains. Its old woods with mighty coniferous trees stretch all the way to the banks of Lake Kootenay. The lake collects the water from the surrounding mountains. Together with the Pacific, it shapes the climate with lots of clouds and precipitation. Darkwoods is a special forest, a cold rainforest with colossal hemlocks and giant cedars. Most of the animals, herbivores or predators, spend the winter in the valleys due to the extreme snowfall. Only one species dares to go up the mountains, even then. This is how it has avoided competition for food and the hunt by predators for millennia. Biologist Leo de Groot is searching for it right now. The mountain caribou. The helicopter flies over Mount Württemberg. Its name commemorates the home of its former owner, Karl von Württemberg. Again and again, the scars of forestry are visible. The Germans only selectively cut down trees and reforested the empty areas. Some of the regions, however, have been left untouched until today. They're a refuge for some of the last mountain caribous, while all around them their habitat shrinks due to the logging of Canadian forestry. Leo wants to